This is a video on how to replace a center console rear air vent on a 2015 Lexus ES 350. And the tools that you'll need will be a Phillips screwdriver. And then I purchased at one of the auto supply stores one of these trim tool kits that you can use then instead of a screwdriver, so you don't mar up your interior. And it comes with several different little pry tools to get your trim open. And then I just used one of the tools to pry in along the edges of the console, and then once I got those loose, the unit just pulls right off. And the unit I needed to replace was one of these rear units, and the reason we had to replace it was it had a broken louver from having some extra luggage in the back seat, and so it wrecked the right side here where it wouldn't adjust. So this unit was available through Lexus Parts, and the part number is 58860A. 58860A. And it was about $200, obviously not cheap, but anyway, I've bought the new part, and then I've installed it in here, and it's just 4 screws. You have 2 here at the top, and then 2 down here at the bottom, and then the old unit just pulled right out, and then the new unit went right in. And when you're removing this entire unit, you will have on this car a cigarette lighter receptacle plug that needs to be unplugged. And it's just a little clip here, and you just push the little tab in so that the clip will pull loose, and then the cigarette lighter unit will be free so that this whole console can come apart. But again, it's pretty simple, just prying this unit off. There's 4 tabs. You can see the little yellow tabs here in each corner. Actually, there's 5. There's one here at the very bottom in the center. And once you get your pry tool in there and pull this off, it just snaps off. Unplug the cigarette lighter unit. And then again, just 4 screws. 1 in each corner here to remove the old controller, or register I guess it is, with the louvers. And then just snap the new unit in there, put in the 4 screws, and then reinstalling it, I just need to snap the little cigarette lighter plug back in, just like that. And then just realign the unit here, making sure all the wires are out of the way there for the cigarette lighter. And then just give it a little tap on all 4 corners, and the unit's installed.